Presido Muhammadu Buhari don commission more correct projects for education, healthcare and other sectors to finish in 2 days official visit to Katsina State. Now Ogbonge jubilation for Musawa local government as people, both old and young, come out to welcome Mr. President. Musawa local government now one of the local governments wey benefit well from the devel of Governor Masari. Government Day Secondary School, Musawa, where Presido Buhari come commission, now one of the 7 projects when them newly complete for the state. Governor Masari say na 37 billion naira name they don't spend on top education matter for the state. Presido Buhari still open the Musawa General Hospital where go chook on top healthcare matter. This hospital they part of the 9 where Katsina State give Ogbonge equipment. Presido Buhari still carry waka go inaugurate roads where they for Katsina State. Governor Aminu Masari chook mouth with Tory people about this project commissioning when they shell for Katsina State.
We have managed the resources very well, and we have employed competent hands as contractors and also as workers. That really helped us in arriving at where we have arrived today. Our emphasis has been on education, really, and health, because we believe that with education we can reach the moon to go anywhere. And a healthy society is a productive society.
Presido Buhari carry waka go the palace of the Emir of Daura, Umar Farouk Umar, to pay visit to the Emir.
Daura ta bunkasa ta haɓaka ta ci gaba.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC and your power. No say I'm giving the politician on the election day.